Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. It really does mean a lot that you have. So today is going to be day 2, look 2, with this beautiful little palette here. It's the Sweet Like Candy. So we're going to dig into the middle row and see how those eyeshadows performed. I've got to admit, yesterday I wasn't overwhelmed with how the first row performed, so I'm hoping the second row will be a bit better because they're darker shades. So I'm just going to tie the top portion of my hair up just so it doesn't get in the way. So I've done my base. I've had to do it twice. I pulled a contour stick for my Shop My Stash. Well, it wasn't really a contour stick, it was a foundation, but a really dark foundation that I thought would work as a contour stick, and it just made me look like I had a muddy face. I'm just far too pale for it. It was one of those Revolution foundation sticks, but it was in the shade F12. I think that is probably one of the darkest ones that they do. So yeah, that one's going to get decluttered when we come around to doing the new weekly Shop My Stash next week. So right, let's just jump into this. I'm in a bit of a rush. I'm running late. It's currently Sunday and I need to get to my mum's. We're having Sunday dinner today and I need to go to the shop before it. So like I said, I am currently running late. I also need to get the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, so let me go and get that. Right, so I'm just going to go in with that white chocolate shade just to set my base. I mean, I really like the look that I came up with yesterday, but I didn't like the way the eyeshadows performed, I've got to admit. They didn't perform as well as the Sunshine Makes Me Happy palette that I used the previous week, which I'll leave in the cards somewhere so you can go and check them out if you've not already done so. And if you have already done so, thank you so much. Right, so that's that. Right, so now I'm just going to clean this cargo brush off. Okay, so again, we've only got one matte, which is this shade here, Sweet Tooth, but that looks quite matte as well. It looks like a matte satin, so maybe that one will be a good one for the outer corner. And then we've got this silver shade, Lucky here. That is more of a silver lilac shade up there. Oh, this one is pigmented. Let's zoom you in a bit. I can never get the left eye like the right eye. Right, let's blend them out a little bit. I hate it when I can never find my PS Beauty brush. I love these brushes for blending. I have got so many, I just need to clean them all. I used to pack the colour on with these, but they're so much better for blending. Right, so I want to keep the pigment, so that's about right. Okay, I'm gonna try macaroon in the outer V and just see if we can get it to work. So I'm going to go back in with a cargo brush. I'm just going to clean it. It might not work, it might be like the bubblegum shade yesterday, but this doesn't look as shiny. So it is shimmery. Ooh, yeah, it's working. Right, so I only want it in the outer V. And running through the crease a little bit, and then we're going to blend it. And because I've used that there, I'm not going to put it on the lid now. That's pretty. I never use shades like this, guys. As you know, if you've looked at my channel at all, it's all warm tones. Warm toned and neutral eyeshadows is like my go-to signature eyeshadow look. But I'm just trying to switch things up. Trying to experiment with colour a little bit. That's good. Yeah, I really like that. And then we're going to go in with Lucky, which is the silver. I'm going to put that on the rest of the eye. So I need to find my detailing brush, which I probably struggle to find. Oh, there it is. Right, if this doesn't go on pigmented, we'll spritz the brush. No, it's not pigmented. It's nice, it's just not pigmented. Right, so I'm going to go in with my finger now as well, just like I did yesterday, and see if we can build the pigmentation up. Yeah, it's looking a bit better. What I don't actually like about these palettes is you can just barely get your finger in it to actually build the pigmentation up. But other than that, I don't think you can really ask for a lot. I mean, they're very inexpensive. And I really do like having them in the collection as well, so... yeah, so that's how we're looking at the moment. Let me go and get my setting spray. Right, so where's that brush? Oh, it's there. So I'm just gonna put some of this Primark setting spray on, and we're gonna go back in with Lucky. Which isn't really doing an awful lot. I think the brush might be a little bit too wet. Now I'm going to go back in with my finger. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if it's the brush. Sorry about the washer in the background. I'm just washing some of my mum's clothes before I go there. Now onto the lash line. Right, let's start with Sweet Tooth first, this one here. Don't know whether to just leave it there or deepen it up. Might see what it looks like deepened up, like just towards the end. She says, and she's deepened it all up, but I think that looks quite nice. We don't really have anything for her for an inner corner highlight, so I'm just going to get a highlighter and put that in, and then I'm going to get my mascara and eyeliner. Right, so the highlighter I'm wearing all over my face, like on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, and here is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. I've not had it on for a while, so I thought I would use it today. So I'm going to put this in the inner corners. I've got to admit, this is about the time that I would think I wish I had like kind of like coloured highlighters. In fact, I have got something from Sleek. Let me just go and get it. Right, so I got this a hot second ago. I have used it recently. So it's the Sleek highlighting palette in the shade Solstice, and I thought I would use this shade here. I know it's not like purple, it's like more of a pink shift, but that's about as close as I'm going to get in my highlighter collection. If I ever see like a purple like highlighting palette, I think I will get it, especially now that I'm into purple eyes. Not purple eyes, purple eyeshadows, and I just think that would look good in the inner corners. So let's see what this looks like. Through here a little bit. That actually looks nice. Look at that, it looks real pretty. I don't think they do this palette anymore. I mean, tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. They're doing the singles apart. They're doing all the singles apart from this cream one here. So I keep saying I am going to buy the singles, but I still want to keep this palette and use it up. So I don't know. I might just keep the singles as kind of backups. I think the singles are like £6.99 each, and that was like £12 or something like that. So you do actually get more value for your money from the actual palette. Really liking this eye look so far. So let's just go in with the eyeliner. And then the mascara, so it's just the Makeup Gallery Turn Up the Volume and Define. Right, so that's what that looks like, and then all that's left to do is put on the lipstick, and the lipstick of today is the NYX Lingerie in the shade Embellishment, which has got a purple undertone. I thought it might look nice with this look, so let's see. Yeah, I quite like that. I think I might just blend. I always do this right at the last minute. Blend it a little bit more. Especially this dark purple shade I use, which is Macaroon. I feel like it's too harsh. Right, that's better. And on this side. I mean, I like my eyeshadow harsh, but not that harsh. Needs to be an even blend. Yeah, I really like that look, guys. It's real pretty. So let's come closer and show you the overall look. Right, so on second impressions then, first impressions wasn't right. I used the lighter shades yesterday, so I used Candy Floss. Of course, Candy Floss isn't gonna like be overly pigmented because it is a really light, like lavender shade, I would say. And yeah, I did struggle with these two as well, but I got them to work for me. This middle row is definitely, you know, is definitely saving the palette. I'm really looking forward to diving into this row tomorrow, and then we'll be able to give you my overall thoughts. I'll do some swatches, even though you've seen them on the eyes, just so you can see what they swatch like on the hand. But just remember, obviously, I know you are going to remember, but swatches on the hands and nothing compared to how they swatch on the eyes. So yeah, this is just a quick video really. I hope it's a quick video to show you what this look came out like. I really do like it. So now I'm gonna go and head to my mum's, have a lovely Sunday dinner, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next makeup look. Hope you have a wonderful day today wherever you are in the world, and I will see you again soon. Bye.